Guys, I have another video for you all today, and this hair is from Mossyne, I believe, Mossyne, not sure how you pronounce it, but they sent me this hair. This is a headband wig, as you can already tell from the title, and right now I'm just showing you the different headbands that they gave me. So they gave me 3 headbands. It also came with a wig cap, which I don't think I used because I didn't need it. And then it also came with this little card, and that looks like Alicia Keys, not someone who actually models for Mossyne or whatever the company's name is. And so yeah, now I'm just pulling out the wig. It came in this packaging like this, and the hair also came in the hairnet. And this is synthetic hair, you guys. It's in the color 1B, I believe that's what I got. So this is what the wig looks like on the inside. It has the straps that go around. This is what the curls are looking like. And this hair does feel like baby doll hair, like hair that's on a Barbie kind of, but it still looks okay. So it does have 3 combs, 2 on the sides at the top, and then 1 at the back to try to secure it. Oh, I did use the wig cap. Okay. So here I am just putting the wig on. And I noticed it did look a little lumpy in this video, and that's probably because my hair is just pulled back into a ponytail. So yeah, maybe if it was braided down, it would be a little bit flatter. But right now I'm just brushing out the curls a little bit. And I was trying on which headband I like the best, and I guess that one is the one we're going to go with. Right now I am doing my baby hairs, trying to slick those back because I am all natural and my edges don't look like this hair, okay? So we just trying to slick it down. Like some natural hair to go with these natural edges, but voila, I made it look good. Pow, bang, what's up? Okay, I look cute. Hey you guys, alright, so you just saw me apply this wig and put it on. It was super duper easy to put on. I do want to go over, you know, kind of how I'm feeling about this wig. Now this is a synthetic wig from the Amazon store that I got it from. And if I can't find this wig on Amazon anymore, I will find something that is very, very similar to it and leave it down in the links below, because I'm not sure if they still have this wig in stock in their store, but I think that I did see one that is very, very similar to this wig and around the same price, range, under $30. So if you're wanting to try a cheap headband wig just for your first time to see how you like it, I would definitely suggest trying this. Now this hair is synthetic, like I said. I do like the waves of it. It looks very effortless. I like the body wave of it, and this wig is very, very lightweight. Let me stand up so y'all can see how long this hair is hidden on me. Okay, so I am 5'7", and it's coming down right here on me, and then this is where it's hitting in the back. So a few cons about this hair. I noticed when I was putting this wig on and brushing it out, it was shedding quite a bit. I got quite a few shed hairs, and I think like hair is still coming out whenever I brush it. And this does feel like kind of like baby doll hair. It's not like that good synthetic hair, so I do foresee this tangling in the future, like very, very soon. If I wear this out somewhere or something, I'm pretty sure that I would probably have some naps or some tangles in this hair. And another thing about this hair is kind of this hair is kind of thin. I feel like I was expecting it to feel a little bit thicker, but I guess the ponytail is okay. I don't know, it's like when the hair is down, like it's thin feeling to me up here at the scalp part, the head part of the wig. But I guess it doesn't look thin. Like when I turn around and stuff, it's not see-through or anything. I guess that's all that matters, as long as it's not see-through. And you can't like see the wig cap and the tracks. But yeah, so other than that, I would say that this is a pretty good wig. It's something that you can definitely just throw on and go and be out the house. You don't have to do much manipulation to your hair or anything like that. And I do not like these headbands for real, but I just went on ahead and used one of the ones that they gave me. But I would suggest getting some cuter headbands. Yeah, these just don't float my boat like that. And I already have a leopard print headband, so I didn't really need another one. That's the only one that I think is cute, is the leopard print one. But hey, we gotta make it work. Okay, so yes, so once again, like I said, I will leave the link to either a wig like this down below in the description box. And yeah, that's all that I have for this wig video. You leave a comment down below if you like this wig or if you're going to try it out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.